have Dave Roth here from Yahoo with us. Dave, you talked a lot about the new partnership between Yahoo and Microsoft. Could you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. So the alliance is on and the transition is imminent, and so there's a lot of work for advertisers to do at this point, and SEOs. But so we talked a lot about what resources are out there for people to look and find more information about the timelines. So there's a lot of information coming out now about that.
Very cool. And one more question, and this is kind of $1 million question,
Okay.
so you can answer in whatever depth you want to. But could you tell us a little bit more about the differences between Yahoo paid search and Google paid search, and basically what some of the benefits of doing paid search through Yahoo is versus Google?
Sure. So, well, that is a big question. So there's a couple ways to look at that. So first of all, everybody knows that Yahoo's had their own paid search platform for years. With the Search Alliance, the plan is to phase that out and move over to results powered by Microsoft Ad Center. But Yahoo is still going to own the user experience on yahoo.com. So that allows us free reign to innovate around the search results. So the algo results come in, the paid ads go on top, but Yahoo's going to have a lot of control over how the user sees those ads and what other ad units are mixed in, and what other types of things they want to tack on to the search user experience.
Cool. Just one more question.
Okay.
What deodorant do you use?
Oh wow, I just switched to Tom's of Maine because it doesn't have any aluminum in it.
What happened to Old Spice?
Old Spice? That's for old guys, isn't it? Or is it now for young guys again?
I mean, the
Who
guy
are
in the
gonna be
commercial's
old
pretty
someday?
young.
Yeah, they're trying to make Old Spice around young guys, for young guys now.
No, not cutting
I
it for
thought
you.
I'd try the non-aluminum thing. It's got a lot of people spooked. I'll give it a try. If I don't like it, I'll go back to, what was I using before?
You tell me.
I don't know what I was using before. Oh, well, I guess I'm sticking with Tom's of Maine.
That's some really good
plug, Tom.
advice. Thank you.
All right.